Hello, this is Nick Anderson, Senior Customer Success Manager here with Do Control. For this video, we will be covering introductory use case, public sharing auto expire for Google Drive. Now to get started, when you log into the Do Control UI, you can go to the Workflows tab on the left pane, and we are going to hover over this arrow next to New Workflow, and we are going to choose From Scratch Event Aggregation. The reason we choose event aggregation is to ensure that if a user shares one file, if they share 20 files, if they share 2,000 files, all of those shares will be aggregated into one Do Control notification. So to get started, in the top left-hand corner, we'll go ahead and give this workflow a name. Common naming convention is the app, along with the use case. Auto expire public shares. And we'll go ahead, we'll select the trigger, give it a brief description. All right, and then the event. Now for Google Drive, when a user is sharing a document public, this is known as a change document visibility event. And we're gonna add several conditions to this workflow to ensure that they are triggering appropriately. The first condition is we're looking at the file is publicly shared. We want to ensure that this workflow is only triggered when documents are made public and not made private from a public status. So the first one is publicly shared is true. And then the second piece of information we are going to add to the condition is the get actor email trigger. We want to ensure that the actor in this case is in trusted domains. They are in fact a part of our organization. Those will be the two conditions we need for the trigger. Now, the second action in this workflow is to choose Notify. In the left side action pane, you'll notice we have three notification options: Notify by email, Notify by Slack, and Notify by webhook. For this demonstration, I'll choose Notify in Slack, and I'll be sure to connect these actions within the canvas. So now once I choose Notify, I'll go ahead and add a description. And we'll go ahead and let them know that the public share will be expired in 90 days. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and choose, instead of channels, we'll toggle over to users. And we're going to leverage Do Control's low code to no code macros, again using get actor email. And we're able to cross-reference the actor, in this case in Google, with their Slack account. So we can send them a direct message in Slack of the share. And we'll do a brief message down here for the user. Hello, and maybe I want to include their email for personalization purposes. And then down here, maybe I want to include more information about the assets in question that are being shared. I'll go ahead and choose again one of our macros, and I'll choose to get document name. So whether again they share one document, 20 documents, all of those that are made public will be shared in that Slack notification. Now once we have the Slack notification complete, we'll go back to our actions pane on the left side. We'll drag the wait tile into the canvas, we'll connect them, and we mentioned in our notification we were going to wait 90 days to auto expire the share. You can go ahead and customize it to meet your organization's policies and needs. But again, for the demonstration, we'll choose 90 days. And then the last step here is we're going to go back to the actions pane, choose remediate, scroll down to Google, and choose the remove public sharing. So we'll go ahead and connect these, and no further action is needed on the remove public sharing remediation. We're already getting the asset ID populated here automatically. So once you're ready to go ahead and activate the workflow in the top right, go ahead and make active, confirm, and go ahead and save the workflow, and you are ready to go. If you have any question on this workflow or any of your other use cases, please reach out to your customer success manager. We'd be more than happy to walk you through these.